Hey guys, this is my Crf100f dirt bike. Some pretty cool customizations on it. 62 number sticker pack. 8 inches I think, and FMF Power Core 4 exhaust pipe. Really nice, full system, only like $100, $200 bucks. Stock heat shield, you know, fits the FMF fine, might as well keep it. One of my favorites is this baby right here, this IMS shifter. Now, if you have an idiot like my cousin Joe, who crashes my dirt bike, it'll just bend in. He ruined my other one, and it was like this permanently. This spring-loaded. It's good for motocross. The only thing I really didn't like about it was it's got drum brakes, but you know, it's a small bike. It really wouldn't matter too much. You know, it's the front one. If you can hold on a second, I guess I could start it up for you guys. Alright guys, I'll start it up for you. Yep, this is what she sounds like. Look at the Power Core 4, baby. Well, this is my bike, and thanks for watching.